how to add and remove the Cortana button from the taskbar in Windows 10. First, from your desktop, locate the taskbar that you have on your screen. Usually the key identifiers are the Windows Start button in the left-hand corner, followed by the magnifying glass that you can use to search your computer. The Cortana button, as you can see here, is just a little circle, and the little text box that will pop up above it, talk to Cortana. Now, why people want to get rid of this is because a lot of times they don't take the time to set it up, and if you accidentally click on it,
I can learn to
it's really loud and can be annoying if you don't have the time to set it up or the desire to set it up. So a lot of people like to remove it. So to remove it, just right-click anywhere on the taskbar, and a little submenu will pop up. From this submenu, select the Show Cortana button, and you'll notice a little check mark right here will disappear, and the submenu will minimize, and the Cortana button is now gone. To bring the Cortana button back, just right-click anywhere on the taskbar again, the submenu will pop up, click on the Show Cortana button, and it will pop back up again. And that's how you add and remove the Cortana button from the taskbar in Windows 10.